Dear students, today I am starting chapter 4, linear equations in two variables. Linear equation in two variable is written in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here x and y are variables. This x and y are variables. A, b and c are real numbers. A and B are not 0. A and B are not 0. Now I am starting exercise 4.1. Let the in exercise 4.1 question number 1 is exercise 4.1 question number 1 is the cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. What is given? Cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Obviously, we will consider the cost of notebook. Let cost of notebook is rupees X and cost of pen is rupees Y. Then cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Therefore, we will write X is equal to 2Y. Then the linear equation in two variables will be X minus 2Y is equal to 0. Now, the next question is question number 2. You see this from the book. Question number 2 is express the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate values of a, b and c in each case. Now in this, see question number 2. The equation given is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 bar. Find a, b, c. For solution, comparing given equation is this equation. Comparing given equation with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Now comparing this standard form with 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar is equal to 0. You must see that we have brought 9.35 bar on left side, because in standard equation we have ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We have c on left side. Now comparing these, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 9.35 bar. Now I come to exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Which one of the following options is true and why? Y is equal to 3x plus 5 is the given equation. For this, we are to find out which of these options is true. Is this the equation for unique solution, or it is for only one solution, or it has infinite many solution? Clearly, you know that for putting the values of x, we can find the obviously corresponding value of y. मीन्स हम x की वैल्यू अपनी तरफ से कोई भी पुट करें, 1 पुट करें, 2 पुट करें या 3 पुट करें. अगर 1 पुट करें तो 1 पुट करके वी विल गेट y इज इक्वल टू 3 into 1 plus 5 मीन्स 3 plus 5 plus 3 is 8. Then the coordinates we will get 1 8. तो x की वैल्यूज हम डिफरेंट पुट करके y की वैल्यूज हम उसके हिसाब से निकाल सकते हैं. फॉर ईच एंड एवरी वैल्यू ऑफ x वी कैन फाइंड द कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू ऑफ y. Therefore, this equation has infinite many solutions. Solution of this question: infinitely many solutions, because for each value of x, y will have a corresponding value satisfying the equation y is equal to 3x plus 5. Now the next question is question number 2. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. I am doing second part of question number 2. The remaining parts you have to do yourself. The equation is pi x plus y is equal to 9. Then y is equal to 9 minus pi x. We have brought pi x to right side. Y is equal to 9 minus pi x. Now put the values by yourself of x. Let x is equal to 0. We have put x is equal to 0. If x is 0, we will get y is equal to 9 minus pi into 0. Pi into 0 is 0. Then y is equal to 9. So the coordinates of point will be 0, 9. First we write the x coordinate, then we write the y coordinate. Therefore the coordinates will be 0, 9. Let x is equal to 1. Now we have considered that x is equal to then 1. Then y is equal to 9 minus pi into 1. On x we have put 1. Y is equal to 9 minus pi into 1. Then it is 9 minus pi. So the coordinates of point will be 1, 9 minus pi. Then we have considered x is equal to minus 1. Then y is equal to 9 minus pi into minus 1. Here was x. We have put the value of x as minus 1. Minus into minus plus. Then y is equal to 9 plus pi. So coordinates of point will be minus 1, x coordinate minus 1, and y coordinate that we have brought 9 plus pi. Then we put let x is equal to 2. Then y is equal to 9 minus pi into 2. 9 minus 2 pi. Pi into 2 is 2 pi. So coordinates of points will be 2, the x coordinate, and y coordinate is 9 minus 2 pi. So we have got 4 solutions of given equation as 0, 9, 1, 9 minus pi, minus 1, 9 plus pi, and 2, 9 minus 2 pi. This is the answer. Then I'm going to question number 3. Check which of the following are solutions of equation and which are not for equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. Now here the solutions are given. See, 0, 2, 2, 0, 4, 0, square root 2, 4, square root 2, and 1, 1. We are to find which of these is the solution of the equation. For this purpose, we will write the equation first. It is x minus 2y is equal to 4. Now we put the first coordinates in this equation. X is 0 and y is 2. 0 minus 2 into 2, we get minus 4. But we should have 4 because in this equation was 4. Minus 4 is not equal to 4. Means left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So not a solution of given equation. So 0, 2 is not a solution of given equation. Then second part is 2, 0. When we put 2, 0, then we get x on the place of x we put 2, and on the place of y we put 0. From here x coordinate and y coordinate. 2 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Again 2 is not equal to 4, means left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Then again 2, 0 is not a solution of given equation. Then we go to the next part is 4, 0. Equation was x minus 2y is equal to 4. Now we will put x 4 and y 0. 4 minus 2 into 0 is 4. 4 is equal to 4. Means left hand side is equal to right hand side. So 4, 0 is a solution of given equation. Fourth part is square root 2, 4 root 2. Again we put the values in the equation. Square root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2. Again not equal to 0. Therefore square root 2, 4 root 2 is not a solution of given equation. Then again we put 1, 1. Again we get 1, 1 is not a solution of given equation. This was the criteria to do this question. Now you are to complete exercise 4.1 and 4.2. Now today's homework is complete exercise 4.1 and 4.2 on your notebook.